Hello traders. In this video, we are taking a look at the Forex Indicators 9-6 system. We'll cover how its numbered circles appear on the chart, what the blue 6 and red 9 symbols imply about bullish and bearish phases, and how this non-repaint style tool is intended to guide entries and exits. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Okay, so there we have it. As you can see, the Forex Indicators 9-6 system plots distinctive circular markers directly on the main price chart, with each marker displaying either a 6, as you can see over here, or a 9, as you can see upwards, and colored to match the signal direction. A blue circle with a 6 inside appears below price and indicates a bullish condition according to the system's logic, visually suggesting a potential upward phase. A red circle with a 9 appears above price and indicates a bearish condition, suggesting a potential downward phase. These markers stand out clearly against the candles, turning the chart into a sequence of labeled turning points that the system considers significant. In practice, traders watch how price moves after each 6 or 9 marker and pay attention to transitions where a new circle of the opposite color replaces the previous one, as those transitions visually represent potential shifts in trend. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have. So our customizable parameters include the faster moving average, slower moving average, RSI period, magic filter period, Bollinger Bands period, and the rest of them. We also have options to set alerts, as well as how the alerts come in and how they sound. We have the signal bar, arrow, high, low, distance. They're all here and they're customizable, so they suit your preferences. You can also change the colors of the circles as they appear on the chart, so they stand out clearly with your underlying MT4 chart theme. So who's the indicator for and what are its limitations? The Forex Indicators 9-6 system is aimed at traders who like clear, visually distinct buy and sell markers on the price chart, rather than more traditional indicator lines or histograms. It can be appealing to those who want a simple 6 for bullish, 9 for bearish signal language that can be read quickly even when monitoring multiple instruments or timeframes. Although developers describe it as non-repaint and highlight high claimed accuracy, independent tests have shown that signals can repaint and that they are still losing trades, so it should be treated as a standard technical tool, not a guaranteed system. As with any such indicator, traders should validate it on their own data, combine it with risk management and additional analysis, and remain cautious about relying solely on its signals. The download link for the Forex Indicators 9-6 system is in the description below. You can read the full review and see chart examples on the Forex Geek website. If you're interested in more visually coded signal systems, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.